Many of you have been asking, is it really possible for AI agents to run a business? And today I want to address that. Today I want to demo a AI first business that we have developed and we have been running for a client among many other AI first businesses. So um, the challenge that first comes to people is which aspect of the business should I go and uh, which businesses are eligible for AI first businesses? That means those businesses where the current effort is repetitive, current effort is there is repetitive tasks happening, there is complex things happening, there is kind of decision making, and there is knowledge involved. So anything that is online where it is accessible for a computer can be automated, right? So today I'm going to show a demonstration of a business where um, the queries or the prospects approach to a business through inboxes, through email inboxes, right? So the businesses are losing because there is a lot of competition among the businesses. Whoever responds first gets the deals, and if you don't respond, then the somebody else who responds first gets the deal, right? So businesses have been losing lots of thousands of dollars with this, while they are not replying or not replying in the way that actually converts them, right? Like many of the coaches we work with, they are not able to respond. They have a high wisdom, high knowledge, but they are not able to respond. So this is where AI agents are going to come and help and do this for you, right? So let's look at one business. So we call it as a business in a box, right? So business in a box because um, business should be independent of you. That means it should be running whether you are present or not, whether you're logged in or not, whether your computer is on or not, or you're taken a vacation or you're working. Business should be running. So today we are going to look at that kind of a business, right? So let me share and experience share with you this experience, right? So this is called Inbox Concierge. That is to become a first AI first business with business in a box, right? The painful problem was that a lot of emails used to come for this Shatu, that is a wedding event location, and then like the couples who want to marry come to a directory of services and like the event locations, and they send bulk queries to different event locations, and then whoever responds, they get on a call with them, they visit, and then they convert, right? So this exact problem, and like whoever doesn't respond miss out, right? So this exact problem we addressed using this enquiry arrives, and the problem is different prospects send the enquiries, and these enquiries could be in English, could be in French, could be in any other language, and there is a inbox in which it comes, and the it could be WhatsApp, it could be your social DMs, it could be anything, right? This Inbox Concierge though will be able to address any of this. This AI first business is able to address any of that, and the agents that we developed is able to scan, look at the incoming queries, route it to the right person who has to respond for that, prepare the draft for them, right? And as well as detect if any escalation is required, draft the reply in the actual language that's required, attach any brochures, any pricing that's required, right? Retrieve any previous email conversations that might have happened for with them, right? And then once we have these agents, we tested across, like when we tested with the all the old responses that humans did, and as well as the how the agent would respond in the same language or same signature and same words and everything, but in a way, what it brought is velocity, like speed to lead, we call it as, right? So speed to leads wins your business. If your business is having a funnel and if it is leaking somewhere, that means you should. There are, if it's like a pipe, right? All the incoming flow should go outside, right? If the leads are coming and it's leaking somewhere, then you are. If prospect is approaching you and your business and it's leaking somewhere, so we should fix that. Fix that with the AI. So that is what we call it as AI first. That means solving the problem first with AI in the mind, right? Like how AI could solve this problem. It could be a part of business, or it could be whole business itself. The So here we solved a part of the business problem, that is the drafts are kept ready for business um, for the SDR to just send it, right? Which otherwise would have taken hours for them to read the emails. They might be in other work, but reading the emails, getting the proper attachments, drafting the reply, that itself would have taken. Now they have to just look at the open drafts and they have to click the send, right? Approve, edit, and or reject, right? So that is a simple flow. And what output it created is like consistent reply, right? Consistent drafting for the clients, correct team handoff the pre. It also drafted replies for those who already converted and who want to visit the site. So learning from for the next enquiry, traceable evidence logs and everything. And what makes this repeatable is this is running in a box. We took a server. I'm going to say who we means, right? Like that is next. But we set it up in the hosting our VPS. The complex part was that, like that. The complex part was setting it up. That's where we set up the Ubuntu. We have the OS installed. We have Docker so that we have compartmentalization, Node.js, Python libraries, and PostgreSQL to look at previous conversations and everything, right? So like how at the first stage, when we don't have confidence with AI, we make sure that this was done, reviewed ongoingly, so that the no wrong replies goes. So this became a read-only business, read-only inbox, right? So we had a human in loop to review and send. No deletes, no marking the mails as read, no marking, no sending, right? So it became a very safe and secure way of saving our time, saving our effort, and doing the things in. We built the AI agents in this VPS, and as well as the complexity that we had, which AI helped is there were mixed languages coming in, and there were incomplete details which took back and forth of with the customers, right? So where some couples didn't give enough information, so where we have to clarify that. The model quality also, right? Like many models gave different level of quality and human, like close to human replies, right? One thing we did is we looked at all the previous responses, how the human sent, trained our AI agents on that so that it can go similar way but intelligent, right? So hallucination, privacy of this one, the GDPR and everything, right? And it runs 24 bars on the volumes that we had to handle, the failures, retries and everything, right? So which humans struggled to address these complexities. Coming to the success story on this business, we did with an amazing person called Jolly. Jolly was one of the first customers of AI Prosperity Project. When she joined, she was completely clueless how to use AI. She was not running the business earlier, but today, if she see from AI prosperity project, we started working together, and she got this business, and then we started partnering and built this business for her. Now she runs some big business, right? So, and she is the one like who's managing what's happening in the VPS. She is the one doing the quality assurance, whether it's whatever that is built by whatever agent is built. Is it according to what business wants? Is it according to that standard and everything? Sometimes like she's challenging, right? So she's somebody so advanced now, like that she can, and she was not even a technical person, had no technical knowledge as well. And that's the beauty of AI, where even non-technical people can now do the technical stuff, run software. Just amazing journey how she has shaped her career, and being a businesswoman, ideal, a model for many women and many entrepreneurs, right? So, how can we make this repeatable? How can we make this like this one success? Now we are making it repeatable, like where everything is AI first. If one event location wants this, is having this challenge, many others are having, right? So, what's the opportunity for the growth loop is, we have built AI agents that can manage 20 plus inboxes, right? For us, for our business, right? Like where 20 inboxes sends every day to 30 emails across different businesses, right? Like this is one business, like we have 711 AI first businesses, and where the outreach happens through the Codex agents. Like for this, we use the Codex agent Opus model to build this, right? The investment is all about the agents and VPS and all that, AI credits and all that. So how currently it is helping us scale? This is one business we scale, and the other, like one business, something is working, we scale that, right? Among the 711. So what we are setting up as Codex agents, where it manages 20 plus inboxes of ours, where it's able to outreach every prospect similar to what the existing prospect are, through email, through LinkedIn, through Instagram, through X, Twitter, right? Like through voice calls, like wherever they are active, right? Even in the Facebook, right? The agents they don't have any reasons to give. They are very malleable. That means whatever we train on, it will quickly pick up, right? So it doesn't require the human-like cycles to train them. It runs 24/7. It doesn't ask for a rise up. It doesn't ask for a holiday. So this is a win-win for all the entrepreneurs, like whoever want to build AI first businesses. And if you are somebody like that, like who would like to build your AI first business, I would be happy to understand like what you want to build and see if we are a fit to work together. That's that. And also let me quickly give you how the whole VPS is set up and everything. So this is the whole agents running and the drafts and everything happening 24/7, every 5 minutes, looking for the new emails, new responses and everything, drafting and be ready, so that even if you are outside, it's helping. So that is that for today. And so this is a amazing era and like a golden era for those who want to grow, scale, or even if you are new, you want to establish the business. This is the era for entrepreneurs to pick a painful problem, solve that to those who can afford, and make multiple businesses, not just one businesses. So if you are up to thrive, we are happy to help, and see you in the next video.